Brand new year.
Yes.
We are working on the old boosted Civic. Discount code MOB30 saves you 30% off anything you order on the website. Like this shirt. Enjoy the rest of the video. Monster, please sponsor us. So cool thing is I don't have gaskets for everything. I'm gonna test out some RTV. You know, it says, I mean, it's liquid gasket, you know, it says gasket maker.
Should work like a charm.
I do have a gasket for this one. We have two of them. How I ended up with two of them, I have absolutely no clue. Yo, yo, yo. Whoa. Look who it is, man. How you doing?
Been alright. Okay.
How's the car?
Good.
Same?
Yeah, the same. Nothing.
All right, next idea.
We can just jack up the back and
All right,
slide them.
that works. Do you have like a block of wood though? Because I tried that the other day and it was not tall enough at all. All right, we're gonna jack the car up now and just try to get those under there. You gonna jack me off? I mean, jack what?
We're just burning old gas, I guess.
Or oil.
Well, it's got a little bit of color.
You have a fire extinguisher, right?
Yes.
Jeez, it's getting hot quick. How to burn your exhaust tip 101. You do that. Yeah, because you can see where it's discolored right there too.
Yeah. And I mean, I can polish it too after and see if that does anything to it. Yeah. He forgot he had that bad boy. Can't believe that guy did it on his stove.
I was looking at videos on how to do this, and a guy had his set over his stove. So yeah, if you want to look that up, because this isn't really a tutorial for this, but you just heat it up. If you want to look that up, you will probably see that video. The guy had his stove burner on and was sitting there, and you know. We just figured something out. You're supposed to polish it before. So yeah, we're gonna let it cool down, and we're still waiting on Adrian, and then we'll eventually get to that. So
Speak of that devil.
he shall appear. After some work, we were able to get the car completely in the air. How is the stability, Adrian?
Best we've ever had.
Seems pretty stable, huh?
I guess we'll see.
Houston's still working on burning the tip.
Well, that ain't shabby.
That looks pretty sick. There you go. There you go, guys. A burnt tip exhaust. Yeah. Yeah, I'd say it looks pretty nice. What do you think?
I'm pretty proud.
This is my friend Justin. He's already taken.
Hi, guys.
He's cracked at Fortnite, my guy. Or, no, it's my guy.
Yeah. He's cracked at Fortnite, my guy. All right, time to crawl under the car. Almost.
I vote Taco Bell for lunch. Just like the old days.
I have no idea where that was. Okay. Do you need this one right now?
Yeah, we can. Houston, you got a hand up here? Oh, you got the camera.
Yeah.
All right. Backwards,
Wait,
Adrian. I mean, this isn't terrible clearance.
No.
It's not great, but... Oh, all right.
It's honestly better,
So-
I think, than when we were putting on the damn turbo.
You see what I mean, Houston?
So it's got to be at that angle?
Yeah. Let's do that, man, because
What?
I don't want to weld this and then it be wrong again. Yeah,
Again.
we can work backwards and get the hangers situated.
Okay.
And then, yeah, I think that's going to be our best idea for the sake of not having to redo it 10 times.
Yeah.
All right, we haven't filmed in a hot minute, but we are currently working on the pipe that needs to be welded now. We got everything out to the back from that pipe. So far it's looking good. It's nice and tight on there. We are having to make some modifications. I'm not sure exactly why. I mean, this exhaust was on the car before. Everything is, I mean, just as it was pretty much, except for that pipe. But that one's not even on. So there's something that is off here, and I'm not really sure what it is. We got all of the flanges RTV'd, and it looks like it's gonna keep it sealed pretty good. That stuff smells awful though. If you've ever used, I don't know. This is the first time I've ever used RTV. That red one stinks.
Caught me on guard.
But yeah, we're getting the good old modifications going down now. What we have to do is extend this end of the pipe and then get the flange welded back on to the proper angle. So kind of, yeah, that's what we got going on. How you feeling, Adrian?
I'm kind of worried.
Why?
Because that exhaust didn't line up.
I think it'll be all right. Once it's extended there, then we can figure out where to make the cuts, and even if we just made like an angle cut or, you know, whatever it is that we have to do, I think it's gonna be all right.
So I'm acting like it?
Go ahead.
It's gonna shock you, bud.
Yeah, I think you got a bad ground, man. Hey! Whoa! Whoa!
We're back after lunch. I'll take it over. So we decided to put everything on first and then fit it. So we got all that stuff done, and hopefully it'll do something.
Okay, so this is the last bit, right? Right. Yep. So there's the angle that that it has to go on at. Those are Houston's welds, not mine. Don't quote me. I'm just kidding.
They're gonna work.
As long as it holds, I really don't care. It's under the car. You know, it doesn't
see it, right?
exactly. And whoever watches this, you know, but it's fine. We just want it to hold.
I'm gonna try heating that and like
Bend it.
bend it in, maybe.
All right.
It's worth a shot.
That probably would work.
All right.
Yo.
I managed to fill everything, and then I welded. Anyways, this is the last part. So
I'm just getting that other bolt real quick. That way I can put Loctite on it.
he's just gonna do that. Yeah.
And then
Sponsored by Manscaped. Oh yeah.
okay, so the exhaust goes all the way to the back now. We're missing a bolt on this 3-bolt flange, but everything else is like as tight as we could get it, honestly. And we're gonna see how bad it leaks and see what we can do to fix it if it leaks that bad. But we're gonna start it now and see what happens. So. Thanks for watching. Welcome to a brand new year of Mob Squad and more car stuff. Got a lot more things coming this year. Oh yeah. Hopefully Adrian will be in more videos this year too. Let's hope so.
Buy merch.
Yes. And follow the TikTok link in the description. Like, comment, subscribe.